guys? Benny Brothers here, and today we're here in Tulum, Mexico, Bahia, Principe. Come on in for a little room tour. Alright, so first thing we have right here is a little restroom. We got a little sink, and then a little bathroom right here, a little toilet, and we got our bathtub right here. Alright, then making our way over here, we got our little luggage space. We got a little coffee maker with some water, and then a mini fridge in here. Then we got our TV. Then we got this like king size bed that fits like 3 people. It seems nice. And then over here, we got these 2 little pillarway, 2 chairs, a little table, more luggage space for us with a couch. And then out here, we got a little balcony with Tulum's ocean. Yeah, this is the most furthest front via, which is via 47. In case y'all want to book this, this is probably the nicest. The room is a bit outdated, but they are working their way up from the back to the front to update the rooms. But yeah, this is the best view from the hotel. Hope you guys liked it.